Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today, I wanted to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A23, which was launched in March 22. And so I've had it for about a year or so. And, this device actually stood out when it came to using it throughout the year, because one of the things that I noticed is that this thing consistently will get updates. And now it was released with Android 12 and is expected to get Android 14 because it got Android 13 already, which is another really solid thing that I like about this smartphone because it's going to last you quite some time. Now, it does have a 20 by 9 TFT LCD display. It also has 90 hertz refresh rate, Infinity V drop notch. It's going to give you some good specs on here with the Snapdragon 680, which we'll get into as well. But if you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, okay? But I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new to the crew. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So this device will have some really premium materials. Obviously, with the One UI 6, the volume toggle will be at the top. On the A34, you can see I got it on that phone, and I'm still waiting for it to come to the A23. But this device will have some really good cameras, 400 pixels per inch on here with the Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. And it's going to give you a really solid gaming performance as well as battery life as well. So Samsung definitely makes these devices for the budget consumer who wants to be able to actually get some stuff done. You can actually game on here, which is one of the things that I was really enjoying when I was using it. It comes with the Adreno 610 for the graphics, 4 gigabytes of RAM on this device, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and you can expand that up to a terabyte. Now you get a fingerprint sensor, a light sensor, accelerometer. You also get your gyroscope on here, so you can pretty much get a lot of things accomplished when using this budget device. Now, you're going to get extremely good battery on here, which is going to be one of the things that makes you actually gear towards getting a budget device, because those do tend to give you up to 2 days of battery, especially in the Samsung lineup of A series phones. When it comes to that 5,000 milliamp hour battery, it does have really good optimization. The animations are really nice and smooth on the One UI 5.1.1. However, I'm expecting it to get the One UI 6.0 on here. So it has a 90 hertz refresh rate, so the speeds when it comes to the scrolling are pretty good. And we're going to jump into the camera performance and things of that sort. But you can see that when you get nice images on here, when it comes to the taking close-up shots, this is the macro photography. You also do get a nice wide angle camera option on here as well. And so they're going to offer you a good experience overall when it comes to the total package that you're getting on here. Like when it comes to the overall cameras, battery life and things of that sort. So it gives you that main 50 megapixel camera, which is going to record in 1080 30 frames per second. And that's going to be really the star of the show when it comes to this device, because, for this price to get a phone that can offer you that is pretty good, because the quality of the shots and images on here managed to come out really good. You also do get a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, Dolby Atmos for the speakers, a night mode on here too, so when you're taking photography on here, it's going to basically be able to be adaptable when it comes to using it in different scenarios. And so yeah, I definitely found that this device did take a really good shot when it came to the performance of the outdoor, indoor, and it was pretty good most scenarios, so it was pretty reliable. Also, when taking video, I did notice that it was pretty steady when it came to the stabilization with the electronic image stabilization. So if you wanted to take video on here as well as picture, I definitely think that Samsung A23 is probably one of the better phones in the series to be able to do that. You also do get some pretty decent front photography on the front camera for video and even portraits. So I'm expecting it to get the One UI 6.0. I'm not sure why Samsung actually spreads out the updates across some of the devices, because on the A34 I had it about a week ago, so I'm kind of waiting for it to come onto this device in the near future. So hopefully it does come here, because I'm still waiting for it to come actually to my other Samsung devices as well. I do have like the Fold, which is actually a really solid device. Now you do get 25 watts wired charging on here, which is actually really fast. And compared to other devices in the same price, it's going to be quicker than most other phones that you're comparing it to. It has a good battery that's going to give you about 2 days of overall battery time. So you can max out and basically use this thing for a very long time. I do enjoy the cameras as well as the display and the battery. The screen is also going to be a pretty decent experience, but hopefully we get One UI 6.0 in the near future. If you found this video helpful, stay locked in for more just like it. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. Just type I'm still here so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I'm going to hit you back. I'm going to check you guys in the next one. Later, peace.